In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Grok 2.0 AI image generator. To get started, first is to access Grok 2.0. To use Grok 2.0 AI image generator, you must have a Premium or Premium Plus subscription. First, log in into your Grok AI account and navigate to Grok's AI image generator. Now, to step 2 is to enter your prompt. Once you're in, simply type a prompt to generate an image. The more specific you are, the better the image will be. For example, a futuristic cyberpunk city at a night. Neon lights reflecting on the wet streets, flying cars in the sky. Not a futuristic city. However, Grok struggles with real people and branded objects, so results may vary. Now on to the step 3 is to experiment with prompts. Here are some examples of how prompts affects result. Simple prompts works better for people, like generate an image with Elon Musk holding a Golden Axe logo. The result was more accurate than complex prompt like Elon Musk next to a Cybertruck. On to the second is more detailed improves landscape and scenes. Generate an image when at a peaceful cabin in the woods with smoke coming from the chimney, a deer walking past, and lots of pine trees. This created a highly detailed and realistic image. Now on to the small word changes matter. Torrential downpour versus heavy thunderstorm resulted in very different ages. Now on to step 4 is to fine-tune your images. If the generated image isn't quite right, adjust your prompt, add or remove details. Try different wording like glowing blue lights instead of blue lights. And also use adjective and action word to guide the AI better. Thank you for watching.